Imagine buying a home that didn't require a bank or the full cash amount up front. Seems outlandish and totally unrealistic, right? Did you know that it happens all the time and real estate investors have been successfully doing it for years? This magical technique is called a seller carry. A seller carry is when a seller acts as the bank when buying real estate. This means the buyer pays the seller directly, like they were receiving the mortgage from them instead of from a bank. Pretty interesting, right? So what are the benefits of a seller carry for both the buyer and the seller? Benefits to the buyer: you don't have to go through a traditional bank or lender. So don't worry about qualifying for financing. This takes out the middleman and a major hurdle in the home buying process. The terms are fully negotiable. This includes the interest rate, the purchase price, the down payment amount, term, amortization schedule, closing date, etc. Because everything is negotiable, you can get creative with how you structure the deal. This benefits both the buyer and the seller. Benefits to the seller: sellers actually make more money on the overall home sale due to the interest payments they receive. Instead of selling their home and receiving a one-time lump sum payment, their profit is stretched over the term set in the contract, which will include whatever interest rate was agreed upon. So they end up selling it at the agreed upon price and receive interest payments throughout the duration of the whole contract. There's also delayed capital gains. Because sellers elect to not collect a one-time lump payment, sellers get to spread the capital gains throughout the duration of the term. Overall, this allows sellers to not have to pay this excessive tax all at once. As collateral, sellers will typically still hold title to the home. This allows them to not give the buyer full home authority until they receive their full payment. Key to a seller carry is that the seller needs to own the home free and clear, aka there's no mortgage on the property at all. Also, make sure to work with a reputable title company to act as an intermediary to ensure the agreements are set up correctly and the transaction goes smoothly. Trust me, the title fees are totally worth it. Hit me up if you want to work smarter, not harder.